I am talking IKEA and I am not mentioning one thing. You guessed it, the Swedish meatballs. Now you'd ask me, Samita, how do meatballs connect to fashion marketing? They do. There is a close connection between meatballs and IKEA's marketing strategy. Meatballs help with new customers and customer retention. Okay, let me make things a little simple for you. For instance, I have been shopping for a while. I am hungry and thirsty. Now, if I go out to have my meatballs and coffee, chances are I may not come back to IKEA. But if I have my meatballs and coffee within IKEA, I will continue to shop at IKEA. How clever! Now you'd ask me, Samita, how does IKEA provide such clean, wholesome food at low prices? I'll tell you how. Follow me on the meatball journey.
Do you an IKEA family member? Thank you. So she's $29 a piece. Sorry, it's just loading up a little bit. Well then, whenever you're ready. Have a nice day. How many staff contacts did we have? Just 3. The girl who served us at the hot food counter, the very friendly Jake at the cash counter, and the lovely lady who cleaned our table. Now you've seen the smile on my face. No prizes for guessing. What is it that I like best about IKEA? Hands down, the Swedish meatballs. You can see brilliant weather, spectacular views, crisp sunny day in Melbourne, and Swedish meatballs. Perfect combo. Now nowadays you can also get chicken meatballs and you heard right, chicken meatballs and veggie meatballs. So you have the choice, whatever suits. Everything else was self-service and assembly line. Sweets and savories, salads and drinks, tea and coffee.
Just one is enough. Huh?
Yeah, one, not too much sugar. And yes, you had to clear your own table and load the crockery and cutlery onto the automatic dishwasher. That's how IKEA keeps the costs down. A responsible business, IKEA embraces sustainability and minimizes waste. IKEA gives back to the community and practices fika, making time for family, friends, and colleagues over coffee and cake.
I had promised I'd share my IKEA haul with you. IKEA products I have collected not in a day, but over a few years. Here you are, my IKEA loot, all yours. A nifty mobile phone holder bought for a princely sum of $3. A collection of coasters and drink holders. One of the several storage pods. Click-clack chairs, indispensable for trade shows and events. Mahogany look, lightweight photo frames, and the backdrop you've seen in several of my videos.
What's happening next week on Learn with Samita? Big things, guys, to coincide with International Yoga Week. Want to know more? Hop on to Facebook Live at DIDA Eco Gifts Online or YouTube Live on Learn with Samita. Tomorrow, Sunday the 19th of June at AEST 5 p.m. That's Melbourne time, 5 p.m. Until then, you know what to do. Smash that like button, share, comment, subscribe. Till we meet again. Adios, amigos.